Hello, I always have to, I moved my camera around. Let's see, this is February 28th of 2023, and it is 8 a.m. in the morning. I have ordered, it'll be here tomorrow, I ordered it just a few hours ago, and it's a new keyboard. I kind of like keyboards, and of course, I've given a bunch of them away. But I do like keyboards. Uh, this new keyboard, well, it's not new, it's been around for the Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. One thing I like about this one, I haven't received it yet, is that it does not have the keypad on the right hand side. And I never used the keyboard part. The numeric pad or whatever. I never use that. I think it was Microsoft, a long time ago, a nice keyboard that had magnetically connect. You had a pad, and you could put it on the right side. It clicked in, or you could put it on the left-hand side. Now there again, I never used it, but it was nice. I give a lot of stuff away. I gave that, and I think that I gave my son and I back quite a few years ago. In the apartment complex here, there was a elderly man and his wife, and he had terminal cancer, and he didn't have long. And they did not have a computer set up at all, no computer. And so my son and I, we gave them a computer and a monitor. I mean, everything they needed, except they didn't have internet service. But, there was solitary on it and that type of stuff. So, he could do that. And I think, I'm not sure. I think that, no, I remember. Whoever I gave, it might be the people that live upstairs. They have a boy, I think about 9, and a girl about 7 or something. And no, maybe I did give him that. I gave him a total a Chrome box, and everything that went with it, except he didn't need the monitor. Anyway, he said, when I said, hey, I got a computer you can have, and he said, oh, at school. He says, we all have our own Chromebook. No, Chromebox. I think he even mentioned Chromebox. And he says, is it a Chromebox? I said, yes, it is. So that way, he could have it at home, the same thing he has at school. And now he didn't need a monitor. He said, I don't need the monitor. And I think that's who I gave the keyboard that had the magnetic, that went on each, and he didn't, he didn't want that, and he didn't need it. So I couldn't have given it to anybody. I mean, because it wouldn't go with anything else. Well, anyway, I've got this keyboard coming. Now, the one thing I don't like about it is I like the keyboards that have the, volume control, that you can turn. So it doesn't have that. And I'm not sure how much I'm gonna like this, the keyboard. But anyway, it'll be here tomorrow. I've been up for a little while. My throat is already, I haven't been doing any talking or anything, but my throat is giving up on me, my voice. So what else did I want to mention? Got the keyboard coming tomorrow. I mentioned the fact that I like a smaller keyboard. You know, doing away with the numeric pad makes it, you know, a smaller keyboard. I almost never, I really don't use function keys or, you know, like programmable keys. I've had keyboards where you could program, and I just never use them. I should. And, you know, also since I'm using, you know, Manicam and things like that, I should do that so that I could just hit a key, F1, F2, whatever, you know, whatever I decided on, and that would do some of the, you know, things for me. Maybe changing, you know, what you see and that type of stuff. This is my camera setup number 1. Here's the camera setup number 2, which is the same, except it's got the, you know, the date and the time on it. I think that might be kind of useful because people could be, you know, you could look down underneath and, you know, get an idea. But this way, it's right on the screen and you know. And this is screen number 3. This is screen number 4. And this is screen number 5. Oh, okay, that's my wish list. Let's see, can I scroll? I don't think I can scroll down on that. No, I can't. Yeah, okay. So I really need to change, you know, change that. Well, my voice is going to be gone here. I'm not sure if I have, you know, like several separate problems or if they're combined. So, anyway, this keyboard will be here too. Well, you're not seeing it. Let's see. Keyboard will be here tomorrow. Not sure if I'll end up putting it back on because right now sometimes the keyboard is too big. Really, you know, it crowds my desk or whatever. Actually, right now with the keyboard that I'm using, which has a keypad with my mouse pad and mouse and all that, I really have enough room right now. So, let's see, what are my future plans? I would like to get, if you may remember when I purchased from Amazon the Dell refurbished computer that came in for about $200, and I loved it, except it looked brand new. I mean, except for, you know, except for the style of it. I mean, so far as being no scratches, no, you know, clean. It was clean and everything. Everything was great. But, and I was pretty happy, you know, hooked it up, and then I just started, you know, installing my browsers and bringing in the, you know, the links and things, and then the SSD drive broke. So I just returned it, you know, right away. immediately, like the next day. And and so I'd like to order another one and hope that it works out. I looked at the reviews, and from almost everybody, it works out just fine. I'm going to have to, my voice is not going to hold up here. I'm just going to go lay down and take a nap. Thank you very much for watching.